Today, me and my mate Angus went and rode short and sweet. This blue line in the photo that you're looking at right now is the actual trail. So I hope you like the video and enjoy.
Hey, what's up guys? Going down to the school to meet up with Goosey again. We're going to go for a ride down Cobbler's. We're going to hit a different trail. It's all raining and wet today, so it's going to be hella slippery. So I will meet you when I get there. And this leads straight down to Cobbler's Creek. Done this trail a few times, and a few times have been in the wet mud like it is now. Let's give it a crack. Got Goosey up ahead. We're going to do a trail off that way, but I couldn't find it. I got us lost, so we'll do that next time. Perfect weather for riding.
I'll leave for you.
Yep. Pedals are super muddy. Alright, let's fang it, dropping in. Short and sweet. Let's do it. Braking bumps. Nice little S-bend. More braking bumps. Not really good today because my feet are slipping. Another little S-bend. Little slip out. More braking bumps, far out. Ooh. Trail's pretty mint, but it's just a bit too wet today. More braking bumps. Jeez. This is a good little transition over here. Gotta go a bit slow because I don't want to fall off. So that's slippery today. Slippery and muddy. Angus nearly fell off. Little rock garden. This track's pretty well always downhill. Some flat spots where the highway meets up, but another little rock garden. Another little rock garden into a little drop. Leads into a nice rock jump. Leads into a nice rock drop. Go right. There's lots of little rock gardens in this trail. It's nice though. It's just a nice cruisy, fluent trail, this one. Go as fast as you want, as slow as you want. It's good for all levels of riders, but pretty wet today. Pretty wet, very wet. It's not good when you have wet shoes as well. You get a really nice run down through here. very rocky, technical. Oh, nice rock berm. Oh, I've never seen this before. This must be new. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Angus did the nice little jump. Oh shit, nearly hit the tree. Rock jump. And now we're at Cobbler Creek. We're gonna, looks like we're doing the corner track. There's 2 or 3 people here. This track's pretty fun. Always is. It's a nice little pumpy corner track this. With a nice decently sized rock drop. There is one corner in here that you got to be careful on because you get pretty slippy and you can go straight out into the grass. Pretty sure it's this one. Yep, it's that corner right there. So that's short and sweet, and a corner track in Cobbler's Creek. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.